Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Samsung Internet because secret mode lives inside the app. This gets you straight into settings. Once the browser is open, tap the 3 horizontal lines or the menu icon in the lower right to reveal controls and make sure you can see the secret mode entry. You need to act now. If secret mode is active, it will show a mask icon. Note that disabling it will restore normal browsing and history behavior, which matters for sync and bookmarks. Once done, tap the mask icon or open menu, then secret mode to get to the control you must authenticate first. So enter your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. After authentication, you'll see an on/off toggle or a simple exit secret mode option. Flip or tap it to turn off secret mode. Make sure to wait until the app confirms exit. This completes the session and allows pages and form data to be retained again, because secret mode prevents history and cookie storage. To finish, verify the mask icon is gone and that normal tabs and history return. This confirms secret mode is off. If you still see the mask or no history appears, close and restart Samsung Internet, because a quick restart often forces the UI to refresh. If you cannot exit because you forgot the secret mode password, go to Settings, Privacy Secret Mode, Lock to reset credentials, or follow the on-screen recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.